This is a $1 explosion. And this is a $1 million explosion. First up is the $1 explosion, which is just a TNT block. Next up is the $10 explosion, which is small but has a big explosion. After that, I built the $100 explosion. Up next is a $1,000 explosion, which has an explosion 343 times bigger than the $1 one. Next up is a $10,000 explosion, which may look similar in size to others, but it definitely packs a punch. And now, it is finally time for the $100,000 and the $1 million explosion. Before we move on, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 500 subs and it helps out a ton. Let's start the whole chain by lighting up the $1 explosion. I have spaced them a little too far, but it's okay. We'll light up the $10 explosion. I thought my PC was gonna crash while doing this. Still going.
Holy cow! Oh!
Look at the destruction of this thing. Also, check out this video. You might like it.